Well, welcome to Portie's Garage at a remote location. You got brother-in-law Mick here. Just going to give a quick video of living in Michigan on some of the dirt roads. It's been about a week since we watched this, and we had a quick thaw. You can see the mud buildup in here. But I noticed yesterday, driving down the road, I had quite a vibration coming off the back tires. I'm going to show you here how much mud built up inside the rims. So I won't do a video on changing tires or anything, but I just want to show you what can happen living on a dirt road. If you experience vibrations, you may want to look inside your rims there to see what's building up. You can see a pile of dirt there. I removed that from my daughter's rims yesterday, so it sure does pile up. All right, here's a quick shot of the one front tire. You can see not much in there. We'll compare that then with the rear tire once I get that pulled off. Well, here you go. Here's the rear tire. Look at that caked in there. Think that would cause a little vibration? So now I gotta be careful cleaning this out. Definitely do not want to scrape off any of those weights. Probably just gonna use a glove in a hand and maybe like a nylon brush, try to clean that off. Make sure I get this top rim here. And also down in the bottom here, make sure you get that cleaned up. But definitely feel those vibrations driving down the road. Gotta love the thaw in Michigan. Here we go, got it all cleaned up. Looks much better. Oh, got a spot there I gotta do. Just a gloved hand, little nylon brush. That should not vibrate anymore. And these ladies just came over to say hi, so I threw a little seat on the ground for them. So you saw how dirty the rear tire was. Just want to give you a quick little look inside here. You can see that dirt road just coats everything in mud. Constant battle. But one thing's for sure. We don't keep our cars as clean as they are in Portie's Garage. Thanks for watching. Quick video of the 2023 Tacoma long bed. Show you what a dirt road in Michigan can do when things are thawing. Just look at all that dirt. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to help Portie's Garage.